If you need automotive hail dent repair, DFW Dents and Dings is the company to call. We are a full-service auto hail repair center, and are licensed and insured for your convenience. If you were affected by the recent hailstorm in Frisco, Texas, we're here to help you with your automotive hail repair needs. DFW Dents and Dings is a DFW hail damage repair company, specializing in paintless dent repair. This is the process of removing minor dents and creases from your car without repainting or replacing any parts. We are the premier choice when it comes to hail damage, and we can handle any hail damage repair size. DFW Dents and Dings has the experience and professionalism to take on any amount of cars your dealerships might have. We employ only technicians with extensive training and years of expertise. We also offer free consultations, where you can get all of your questions answered before committing to a service. For 15 years, we've been providing our customers with quality work at competitive rates while always putting their needs first. Our family-owned business has grown into one that employs many skilled technicians across the country who are experts in paintless dent repair, PDR. Contact us today at 469-838-5977 to get a free estimate at our Frisco, Texas location.